Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today I would like to share with you this beautiful red, white and black house. I got this house for $25 at a flea market a while back. And it's all done inside, all the rooms are done. It's been that long. You might have seen it before because I did make videos of it way back. But I decided to flip it and improve some of the rooms. Some of the rooms I might leave the way they are, but I will definitely flip some and it'll be totally new creations for you. So I'm gonna take you inside, and first I would like you to actually really soak it in. Look at that exterior. Look at how beautiful. It looks like two houses, but it's not. It's because it's on top of a dresser and that's the mirror right there. But imagine if it was that big. Just like my gigantic dollhouse. But it is a beautiful house. It has balconies there. Look, I'm even thinking that it's two balconies. I totally forgot for a second that that's a mirror and I was just talking about it. But yeah, it has a little porch here. These are just blocks that say welcome. They don't even belong there. But that is a balcony, and that's the door that leads to that room, which you'll see in a second. And then underneath is the kitchen. The kitchen has a beautiful bay window. Look at that. Then there's the large porch in front. So all this is going to change because I want to make it different, give it a different look. And then there's that little ceramic carriage here that I got at the thrift store. Look at this. Isn't this cute? For $1. It's a boy. So anyway, this is the exterior. Up on top there is another porch that leads to a bedroom. And the door does open nicely. So I just love it. I love houses that have porches because it gives you a lot to play around with. So this is the exterior. This is the side here. Isn't that beautiful? I've had it as a Christmas house up in one of my rooms. You can tell there's a little candy cane over there. So let's go inside. And remember, some of these rooms are going to change. Look at the attic. You see what I'm saying? It needs improvement. This came off. This is part of the ceiling there. So this house has been done for a while. So this is the little attic. It's like a little girl's attic. That's going to change. And then this is the other room here. It's a little bedroom. That's a handmade bed that I made a while back. I was just experimenting. I took some Bounty towel paper, and that's the mattress. This is just the box. That's the Bounty paper, and this is just felt with cardboard. That's all it is. Then I had some extra fabric, glued it with fabric glue, and I made a nice bed out of this. I actually made like two more. I think one I gave away. The other one I don't know where it is. So yeah, I'm gonna make changes here. Maybe change the walls. I like the flooring. This was a real adhesive tile, so I might keep that. Then there's the living room down here. On the wall there you see two frames. Those two frames, those are my hubby and myself right there. Those are frames that I got at Hobby Lobby. Isn't that a beautiful picture? That's our wedding picture. And then here we went to a wedding. We attended a wedding. That's what that picture is. And it has a nice set of stairs. Underneath the stairs it has another area here for decor. This is actually I think it's an earring or part of a necklace this here. So I just placed a little clock there and it looks like part of the clock. And this is just the napkin acting as a rug. Then I made some little handmade curtains with a background. So yeah, I think it's time to change. Then there's the kitchen here. Look at this. I used a black and white file folder for the walls and the floor. And then everything else in there is kind of odd. The kitchen is, the refrigerator is plastic. I think it's a Fisher Price. But then the sink and the counter over there, those are handmade. Those I made out of wood. And then there's a plastic stove over there. So it's a lot of odd pieces in here. I love the window. This house came with lights, but the light wasn't really working well. Look at that window. So that is the kitchen, and above the kitchen is this other room right here. This one is the one that I call cathedral room. So in previous videos, when I created this room, I think I called it cathedral room, something like that. So yeah, there will be changes. Oh, there goes that other bed. Remember I said that I made about 3 beds? I gave one away. You saw that one. There goes the other one. I couldn't remember where I had it because I had this house tucked, in a corner and it wasn't really visible. But that's it. That's the other bed. The pillow's coming apart. So yeah, so you will see videos here and there of this house and the progress, the new look that it will have. So I hope that you have enjoyed the tour of this house. And thank you so much for watching.